In question number 7, we have mean given 62.8 and we have to find out the unknown term p. So firstly we'll find out the class mark. Class mark is the mid value of class interval, that is 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 110. We will take any of the number in between 10 to 110 as assume mean, and the class size is 20. Class size is the difference of upper limit and lower limit. Firstly, we'll find out the value of ui, that is xi minus a upon c. Xi is 10 minus a is 50 upon c is 20 minus 40 upon 20 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and 3. Then fi into ui, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 8 into minus 1 minus 8, p into 0 0, 12, 14, 24. When we add negative value we get minus 18, when we add positive value we get 50. So summation of fi ui will be 50 minus 18, 32. In the same way we add all the frequencies, we get 15, 27, 835 plus 540 plus p. So the formula of mean is a plus c into summation of fi into ui upon summation of fi. Now substitute the value 62.8, 50 plus c into fi ui upon fi. Shift it to left hand side, we get 12.8 is equal to 640 upon 40 plus p. Now multiply. Remove this decimal, we get the 10, we get 10 in the denominator. Now cross multiply it. 8 4s are 32, 2, 3, 48 or 351, 5120 plus 128p is equal to 6400. So 128p is equal to 6400 minus 5120. When we subtract 6400 and 5120, we get 1280. So p will be equal to 10. So the answer of this question is 10. In this question, question number 8, V volume of cone, h is height of cone and c is the curved surface area of cone. So we just have to substitute the formula. So 3 pi 1 upon 3 pi r square h into h cube minus curved surface area of cone is pi r l whole square h square plus 9 into v is 1 upon 3 pi r square h whole square. Now multiply pi square r square h की power 4. Similarly pi square r square l square into h square plus 9 into 1 upon 3 whole square 1 upon 9 pi square r the power 4 h square. 9 will get cancelled. Pi square r square h the power 4 minus pi square r square and this h square also. L square can be written as h square plus r square. Pi square r the power 4 h square. Pi square r square h the power 4 minus pi square r square h the power 4 minus pi square r the power 4 h square. So will get cancelled, we get 0. In this question function is given and x plus 2 is a factor of this function. If x plus 2 is a factor of this expression, then when we'll substitute the value of minus 2, the function will be equal to 0. Substitute it. Minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 का square plus p into minus 2 plus q is equal to 0. Minus 8 minus 8 minus 2p plus q is equal to 0. Shift it toward right hand side. It becomes 2p minus q is equal to minus 16. Equation number 1. Similarly, in the same way, when this function is divided by x plus 1, it leaves remainder 9. So, when we'll substitute minus 1, it leaves remainder 9. So, minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square p into minus 1 plus q is equal to 9. Minus 1 minus 2 minus p plus q is equal to 9. Shift it toward right. So it becomes p minus q and bring it here. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. Equation number 2. So when we will be solving the equation first and second, we get 2p minus q is equal to minus 16. P minus q is equal to minus 12. Subtract it. P is equal to minus 4. When we'll substitute the value of p in the given equation, any of the equation, so minus 4 minus q is equal to minus 12. So q will be equal to 8. So p is equal to minus 4 and q is equal to 8. In the last question, the sum of 7 terms of AP is given 182. And the ratio of 4th term and 17th term is 1:5. We have to find out first term, common difference, and the sum of 10 terms. So, sum of 7 terms is 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, 182. 7 2 times 14, 7 6 times 42. 1 upon 2. 2a plus 6d is equal to 26. Take 2 common. A plus 3d is equal to 26. So a plus 3d is equal to 26. Equation number 1. Now, T4 is a plus 3d. T17 is a plus 6d. 1 upon 5. Cross multiply. 5a plus 15d is equal to a plus 6d. So, bring it here. 4a is equal to 16d. So 4a is equal to d. Now we will substitute the value of d in the given equation. A plus 3 into 4a is equal to 26. A plus 12a is equal to 26. 13a is equal to 26. A is equal to 2. Put the value of a here. So 4 into 2 is equal to d. D is equal to 8. Right? Now sum of 10 terms is what? 10 by 2. 2 into a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So 5 times 5 into 4 plus 9 8s are 72. 5 into 76. 6 5 30 3 30 380. So 380 will be the sum of 10 terms. Thank you all of you.